Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 grille. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a T25 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Having these items ready ensures a smooth process and helps prevent any accidental damage to your vehicle's paint or plastic components. Make sure your workspace is well lit and clear. With your tools ready, the next step is to prepare the grille for removal. Begin by opening your Audi A4's hood. Locate the screws positioned along the top edge of the grille. Use your T25 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove all of these visible fasteners. Also, gently disconnect any sensors or wiring that might be attached to the grille. Now, it's time to carefully detach the grille from its mounting points. Take your plastic trim removal tool and gently pry around the edges of the grille. You'll feel and hear the retaining clips as they release. Work methodically, releasing each clip one by one. Patience is key here to avoid breaking any of the plastic tabs, which can be fragile. Once all the clips are successfully released, you can carefully pull the entire grille straight out from the front of your Audi A4. Take a moment to inspect the mounting points on both the grille and the car for any signs of wear or damage. If you're not immediately reinstalling it, store your grille in a safe place to prevent scratches or other harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.